Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making vegetable soup. This is one healthy, nutritious soup in Nigeria. It's awesome. Watch to the end. Let's begin. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making vegetable soup. Not just any type of vegetables. This is the original, the delicious, the most the exotic type of vegetable soup. These are the ingredients we'll be needing for today. This is my palm oil, my crayfish, grounded crayfish. This is the way my grandmother makes her soup. She always add this small fish. This is okporo, big crayfish. Then this fish is I'm going to wash it and grind it into powder. It adds this exotic taste to your soup. This is my stock fish, okporo. It has been caught in the market. This is my dried fish. This is how it looks. This is my Scotch bonnet. I have yellow ones underneath it. This is my red meat for the soup. I'm making use of 120 pieces of meat, just like the other time. That is how I make my soup. I count my meat depending on the size of soup I'm making. This is my water leaf. This is also water leaf. This is how it looks. Fresh water leaf. This is my bonnet. I'm going to cut it into tiny, small pieces and put it inside the soup. This, like when you take a bowl of gari or semo or fufu, you get a bonnet. It makes all the difference. This is my ugu. I'm using about 1 full basin of ugu. 1 full basin of ugu. This is fresh ugu. It's yet to be washed, but it has been sliced. Please watch this video to the end. It's going to be a little bit lengthy, but I know you are going to enjoy it. Thank you guys for all your support. I really appreciate. Let's begin. Well, first of all, wash the meats. Wash all the meats. Make sure you prep everything you will be cooking before you start cooking. You wash your meats, wash your vegetables, grind all the grindable, like your Scotch bonnet, anything you are using, grind them and keep them ready before you start cooking. Let's begin. When adding water to your meat, please add a little water. Vegetable soup has the tendency of getting water from the ugu, from any watery thing you're going to add. So be careful when adding water to avoid watery vegetable soup. I'm going to add my bonnet, washed, sliced, diced bonnet into this meat. I'll be adding my stockfish too. Then finally, my pepper. The pepper I grinded with onions. I'm going to pour it. Mind you, I intentionally grinded the pepper to be coarse, to be a bit coarse. I didn't want a fine pepper, fine smooth pepper. So I wanted to be seeing those the little red flesh of the pepper in my vegetable soup. So I'm going to pour in half of the blended pepper into this meat. And and I'm going to mix everything together and allow it to cook for 20 minutes. I'll wash it with sponge. I'll wash it with sponge and salt. Then I'll put it inside the pot. I'm going to add dry fish, washed dry fish. This is the okporo grinded. I'm going to add the remaining pepper, the one in the blender. You remember we added half before to the meat. I'm going to add the rest of the pepper. I'll mix everything with my ladle or my wooden stick. Then I'll cover the pot for the meat to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. As you can see, the water is coming up gradually now in the meat. Meanwhile, we didn't add any extra water. So this is the more reason why you should be very careful while adding water to cook your meat. You should add little water, as little as possible. I'm going to cover my pot and allow it to cook. It's about 25 minutes now. I'm going to add my palm oil. Please, you should always watch out for the meat. Always check your meat depending on the protein you are using to cook your vegetable soup. You don't want over soft meat for your soup, please guys. Make sure you check. I use the whole 1 liter of oil for this soup. I'll be adding my grinded crayfish. Crayfish is one of the best things you can do for your vegetable soup. I'm going to add 2 spoons of Cameroon pepper. I'm going to mix everything together. As you can see, the water is thickening. The water of the soup is thickening already. I want to check how soft my meat is. This will help me know the minutes I have to add the vegetable. I'll be adding my water leaf. Eastern parts, we call it ubolongi. Actually, my side call it ubolongi. I don't know about other eastern parts. They might have name for it. I don't know. So I'm adding it. I'll try to push it into the meat as much as I can and allow it to cook for 3 minutes so that it will not overcook. Then I'll try turning it to give space for the ugu. I'll try to push it in as much as I can. Then I'll cover it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. It shouldn't exceed this so that it will not become too soft. As you can see, I'm turning it and I'm trying to make sure it gets to the bottom of the pot. With this method, the bolongi gets cooked faster than the 2 minutes or 3 minutes I said earlier. And I'm creating space for the ugu because I'm going to add the ugu pretty soon. I'm going to add my ugu to the pot now. I'm going to turn it until everything is mixed properly, until the ugu is a bit cooked. I'm going to turn it for like 1 minute. I can remember the way my hand ached the next day. Oh my God. No be small thing, Jerry. When I tested it, I felt I needed to add 1 or 2 more stock cube, maybe the nut cube. So I added 1.5 and turned it more for 1 more minute so that the seasoning I added will be cooked. It's ready. I'm just going to take it down and scoop it into all the bowls I need. This is how it looks, though I have some left in the pot for us to eat. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you, I really appreciate. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.